ne ya pamo the NDC MPP because masa said the MPP for chere NDC for said the CD kra paper any pen ediska okroma no what to opposition almost so hwe mo pa Zuba na kai Zuba and NDC for start here no mu deny jom de hu any kakrakra obi kwa akohoro ne car na obe 50,000 bi dan kam babies with sharp teeth na Ghana for ka mu hwe yo galamse no ma start no mu tubia no ma dia mu hwe yo kwakubu ahin ti kroba he kom de ade kwakubu ahin sisi apa na kwakubu ahin aba power what me ni kwaku ati sai said you obesi discover Ghana for NDC who be da MDC for mu yo na yeti kroma MPP for no dindin ye ba ye be chibo na obi na mnchan mo na MPP ba ye be chi atum na ye wo the late Jame mama no transport wo nyina open le kan say mo ahweye na moto aba ma MPP ba ba mo mbe chi atum because niam bi wo ho a ye ni ayem hihie ense de ya ye no kra yusure chiri MPP ba ide no mo ye o mo di mem ni bi di bi na mi ni bi na mo nyina eye ba no bedi kakra ene ye deda ene ye di tumi no ema MPP for no say urade Yesu komade ya che do mo nsa mienu ni fa binkum wo mo hwene wo mo ti obia di ne de young boys out to so ordinarily it will take him years you see them ye nyina no mo na ti kruma ko show bi pieto akese a wo ro ene o mato o mama enema ni nyina bo kosoro what you say so me momi there for me if I have my way, Ghana, we need a third force. Before God and man. No. We are you to think through. Masa. NDC ba, MPP ba, create the Timani. These are the people who are leading us. With their all friends. Jinapo. Nini ya NDC. We did say Jinapo, ba betra memu no akwa chini ni owe MPP atum. Ayabu. Me bo let's be sincere. Adia no kro waro obi adi mo bi o what dia na kan say ye nyina ye ni mutikro ma Zuba don kofuseni mrantie nyina tena opposition 8 years dodovi I mean obi a hwawe nyame ya adom no mo ba beba bedi o mo de kakra tam no nso a on pe kakra ma no because MPP fo bie Ghana fo ani wani ma bi ho apu sika no di fasisi adan fato schools ye japade young boys a common no da forever. These are the things we have in this country. Ya mo mu bi enu kwatra nchen. Let's at least get different people. Omo beba o hu tokro na edis because NDC ni onim ni tokro NDC ni amna da ho. Wo ba ya wo kwore galam say side MPP ni amna da ho. I mean, yeah, baby I can't do no. Mami ya hweye ni ya NDC MPP joko. Masa me see kremu ya to aba NDC. Ya to aba MPP pen. We know when we need to make a decision. Men farm adwin ma one party e wo Ghana krum ada. Why? Because I'm not a stooge. Yeah, okay, no testimony, no we. You make a decision. That is how we need to do. Yeah, nana bediako. Na kwa bediako tino. And how in the national security.
21 years of my life, I have been serving a nation, working so hard just to become an example of what wealth looks like. And building wealth comes from knowledge, comes from wisdom, comes from understanding. You need to get this value from your own surroundings. I grew up partly in Ghana, partly in England, and I came back to Africa. 2001. Unlike Martin Luther, I did not have a dream. I had a vision. I started watching the youth in the streets and the roads, the rules and the regulations, the conditions and the constitutions that is stipulated and embedded on us as Africans. I had to walk on a different path, and I was alone. My investment on the roads became a landmark. And whatever I invested on this landmark is a footprint. I am here for a legacy. I am part of your historians. That I know many people want to see the true side of me. I know you know Nana Kwame Bediako, but I know you're still looking for freedom, Jacob Caesar. Yes, I am Rick Christian, and I'm here. I'm not here to take your value. I'm here to add value to you. I discovered that the land that we belong to had so much wealth that until we turn it into our own, our economy will never be sustainable. And we cannot forever live in our countries with a box economy. I needed to create a middle income economy without being a part of the government. Why so? Because I believe it's part of my responsibility. I took a different path. My movement, my foundation, my group, and all of this have acquired some wealth. But the wealth that I reimbursed back into society, it has become a part of my mission to make this change. I believe that I belong to Africa. I am a son of this soil, and I can add value to humanity, and I came here to do that. I came here to add value to this world and to nature. I am not going to live here without God even being proud of me. And when I'm not here also, I want you to remember that I came. And I want my absence to be felt. And for that reason, I know you're looking for the man. The man in the mask is sitting in front of you. I came to you as your salvation. I don't invest in myself alone. I am investing in you. And truly, these innocent leaders sitting beside me, of course I will not go to them and tell them that, hey, I am a man in a mask and I want you to come to Ghana to support me to do this and this. And this man of this dignity and this woman with such power will say, yes, I'm going to follow you to come to Ghana to do your convention and all of that. No. It is part of the movement. We need to educate. We need to uplift our children. We need to voice out to them. If you are about to find out about this man in the mask, because I never spoke a word, you were looking for me. I didn't tell you whether I am into politics, whether I am an evangelist, whether I am a conventionist or a revolutionist. After this day, you will have to wait for me to share my policies and my visions with you. And if I'm the reason why the country or the government is not happy about these great voices coming to educate not only Ghana, but also Africa, then I'll take this moment to sacrifice myself, to unveil myself, because I have much respect for these great leaders beside me. It would have taken my own time to tell you that I am. But for this very moment, I am sacrificing myself to let you know that I'm that man. But I'm that man with a good purpose, with a great vision. I have a plan and I have a vision for this nation. And not only this nation, I have it for Africa too. But I know Africa is the next biggest thing, because out of all the continents that have been developed in this world, there is only one continent that is not developed. And I am sent to do that. I am not interested in people's positions. I am not interested in presidential positions. I am interested in the regions and the humans. I am interested in the countries. I am interested in the continent. The resources here, the human resources here, the great opportunities to be able to prove a point to the world that this is what we can make out of ourselves as a black society. We have been doomed and disrespected, undervalued by everybody in the Western world. My pain is in my heart and I can't express it to you. So I let my actions speak for me.
Right, Emerson. So that is the new force, the face behind it. Nana Kwame Bediako. The cedar, that is the man. And I'll pay emphasis that Emma 3P garlic mixture. 100% garlic. You know, near the group.